Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on these fall inspired tricolor passion twist hair. I'm going to be showing you all the hair products and everything that I use to achieve this style. If you're interested, just keep on watching. So the main hair that I use for the passion twist is this Water Wave Pro Twist hair by Expressions in the color Macchiato. It essentially has like T27, 30, and 33. If you have dark hair like me, this really transitions well with the color, and it looks natural. It doesn't look like choppy in color or anything. Y'all know I love a good bohemian vibe to any style, so for these tricolor passion twists, I use the Encore La Vie bulk Remy quality wet and wavy crochet hair, and I got hair that matched the exact color of the passion twist, and I just love this brand to use to add pieces of hair into a style. Lastly, for our hair tools, we have the Lock Booster Edge Control, which I love, and these clips, as well as a comb and a crochet hook. For my passion twist method, I like to use rubber bands, and I just like to add some oil to the rubber bands so it causes less friction. Make sure you are blowing out your hair prior to doing the style for the best results. So I'm going to be showing you multiple angles of this, so don't worry if you don't get it the first time. But I'm going to take two pieces of the Water Wave hair and combine them in the middle with some edge control, doing like this twisting motion. And then I take a piece of the wet and wavy hair that correlates to that color of passion twist, and I just apply some edge control to the roots to make sure that it's easier to twist in like this. And sorry, my camera got a little blurry on some parts of the video, but I have this square sectioned off with a rubber band at the root, and then I'm just going to start by braiding on the passion twist hair, probably about like 3 inches down, and then I'm going to separate my hair into two with the passion twist hair and apply some more edge control. The key here is to lather your hair with edge control, because that's the longer that these passion twists are gonna last. I decided to add in the piece of wet and wavy hair at this part as well, and you see I'm just doing like a twisting motion to kind of intertwine it with my real hair and the passion twist hair. And then I'm just going to start to twist it down after I clip up the roots. Once I get far down enough where I believe the Water Wave hair is secure, I'm going to put the long end up and out of the way, so that way it's not twisted down and it will come out of the passion twist that way. I also added a second piece of Water Wave hair, and I'm just going to do the same method as I did towards the top. I'm just going to start to twist it in, with one end being longer and one end being shorter, and twist down until I feel as though it's secure, and then I'll take the longer end and clip it to the twist, so that way it doesn't get tangled up with the rest of the twist as I go all the way down. Now I would like to show you a more clearer view from the front. As I did before, I'm going to take two pieces of passion twist or the Water Wave hair. I'm going to put them together, connecting them in the center with some edge control. Then I'm going to take the wet and wavy hair that correlates with this color of Water Wave hair, and I just take as much out as I'm going to need for this individual twist, and I like to add edge control to the root so it's easier to attach in. I already have this hair sectioned off with a rubber band. This is a trick if you don't have good grip I like it because one, it helps the passion twist last longer and it grips the hair better. So I'm gonna start by braiding it on at the root, and then once I get about 3 inches down, I'm gonna go ahead and separate my real hair into two, making it better like for a twist. And I always add edge control at this part. It just helps make the style last longer. And I'm going to clip the root before I start twisting down so that it doesn't hurt my scalp as you're twisting, because it can start to twist your hair up and it hurts. So I'm also going to add in the wet and wavy hair at this portion and just twist down until I feel as though that it is secure. And then I'm going to put the long part up and out of the way and continue to twist down, adding lots of edge control so that way this style will last as long as possible. When you're done with the twist, you can take down the human wet and wavy hair and it just comes out the twist like so, creating a nice and seamless flow with the human hair coming out for that bohemian look. So now I'm just going to show you one more time. If you're wondering why this front piece of hair is really short, it's because I cut off my real hair when I was taking out some locks one time. So yeah, and it just happened to be right in the front. So please disregard that. I'm so mad about that, but we're moving on. So I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to be taking 2 pieces of the water wave hair and combining them in the center with some edge control, doing this twisting motion. And then at the same time, I'm going to prep the wet and wavy human hair that I want for this style. So for the front pieces, I prefer to have the human hair framing my face, and for that reason I'm going to go ahead and crochet it through the root so that way it can hang down from the top of the twist and frame my face. So after I clip that away, I'm going to start braiding on the water wave hair at the root like before, about 3 inches down. Then I'm going to split my real hair into 2 and add in some more edge control and begin to start twisting like a normal passion twist. I just love that end satisfying moment when I can take off the clip and pull out that human hair to really see how the look is. And this is what I was talking about when I said framing my face in the front. I really like this with most of my styles when I do like a bohemian look. So yeah, this is how it turned out. And I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest off camera and I'll come back and show you the final results. You know a look is not finished without doing your baby hairs, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my edges prior to showing you the final look. Am I the only one who doesn't care about cutting their edges off? I really do not care. They grow back fast for me, so I just cut them just so they match and look good with the style. Me personally, I like the style to look neat all the way to the ends, so I'm just trimming off the raggedy pieces or the human hair that might look a little too long compared to the passion twist. So that's what I'm doing at the end to just make the whole style look more complete and clean. Then I'm going to be adding in the styling gem mousse throughout the twist, starting at my roots, working my way to the ends, just to kind of seal in the style and form the waves of the human hair and everything. Lastly, I like to finish off the style with some argan oil sheen, or you can use the olive oil one. Either one works fine, just to add some shine and polish to the ending style. Here are the final results. This style came out so beautiful, especially for the fall time. Like, it just reminds me of this season so much. And usually passion twists are good for like summertime, but I wanted to show you guys it's also versatile for the fall. Y'all, I love this hair color so much. I always feel like browns and blondes look the best on me. Sometimes colored hair to me can look a little tacky if it's not done correctly, and I feel like I did a good blend to where like I could wear this to work and still feel professional, as well as, you know, still showing my personal character and style and stuff. So I really love how this turned out. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, because I will have content keep on coming every week. I like to post every week. My goal is to post once a week, and it's anywhere from hair, lifestyle, home decor, all types of different things. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching if you reached it to this point of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.